So hello everyone, I'm again back with a new job opportunity. So this is a great job opportunity because the Capgemini is hiring for different job profiles and starting from fresher to experienced candidates can apply for the different job profiles as per their eligibility criteria. So this is the career portal of Capgemini. So before discussing further, I am requesting all of you, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus. So and also don't forget to check other off-campus drives as well. So I'll be putting the links of the other off-campus drive in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply for the other job or the other off-campus as well. So now let's discuss. So the hiring or the off-campus name is the gender balance hiring. So submit a resume for the gender balance hiring process. So this is a great opportunity in 2021 because they're hiring for different job profiles. So now let's discuss about the each job profile. So here these are the list of the job profile they're hiring for right now. So first one is the cloud infra services, digital engineering or the manufacturing services, non-technical enabling roles, invent and Microsoft digital cybersecurity, SAP customer software development, non-technical support roles, Oracle services, Java development, cloud services, testing job roles, solution architect, etc. Various job profiles like A to Z job profiles that are hiring for. So as per your areas of interest or as per your eligibility, you can apply for the different off campus or the different job profiles by simply click on the each job profile. So now let's discuss about the each job profiles. So here if you see carefully, featured jobs are there like data science and Teradata developer and SAP developer, data engineer, etc. These are various job profiles, but these are only for the experienced candidates like the engineers or the professionals having minimum of 2 to 3 years can apply for the other job profiles. There are many job openings as well, like see more openings. After clicking on this, you will be able to see and apply for the other off campus or the job profiles as well. So now let's discuss about the listed job profiles. So after clicking on that, so here they are hiring for the cloud infra services and it is only for 2 to 12 years of experienced candidates. That means the fresh graduates are not eligible for this job profile, and it's for Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore location. Three different job locations are there as per your eligibility, or you can say as per your convenience. You can join any of these locations like Mumbai, Pune, or Bangalore. So these are the responsibilities or the key skills required for this off campus, or you can say for this job profile. And also there are various job profiles you can check one by one. I'm not going to the every job profiles here. So now let's check the cloud services. Let's check. And another one, the testing role, suppose we want to check. So my system is little bit slow one. So again they are hiring for the testing job profiles. 4 to 6 years of experience required for this off campus or for this job profile. So you need to check one by one. If you are a fresh graduate or if you are a fresher, then you have to check whether you are eligible for the off campus or for specific job profile. So there are various job profiles, so that's why I have made a video on that, because as per your requirement you'll be able to join or apply any of the job profile or the job location. Java development, suppose if you see here, these are the you can say the leading technologies. That means cloud infra services and SAP and the data science here. So that's why I'm requesting all of you, don't miss this opportunity because it's a great opportunity. System is a little bit slow one. Yeah, Java developer again 4 to 12 years, but you can check if you are a fresh graduate, no need to worry about that. You can check all these off campus or the job profiles. You'll be eligible for at least one job profile, and here see more opening, you can click on that. And if you are a fresh graduate, you can check the description as well, because you can apply for other job profiles as well for different companies, no issues. So if you want to apply for any off campus or you can say job profile for this Capgemini, simply click on the apply button here. After that it will redirect you to the career portal, career success factor. You have to first create an account. That means first you have to register yourself in their career portal, then you'll be able to apply for this off campus. So they are asking for already registered user. So if you have already registered for the Capgemini career, then need not to register it again. Automatically it will fetch all your details as per the previous application process. So if you are a fresh graduate, sorry, if you are a new user, or you can say if you are new to their career portal, you need to simply provide all the basic details like update, upload your resume. Then automatically it will fetch all these things like email address, password you need to provide as per their password policy. Then retype your password, first name, middle name, everything it will fetch, no need to type here manually. Then country region you need to select, like country code India you need to select. Then phone number you need to provide, personal type, title, nationality, and etc. Notice period is not mandatory here, it is not the mandatory field. If you want, then you can put. After that you have to click on the apply button here. So terms and condition you have to say yes. Please select the country region. Okay. So first of all you have to select the country region, then only they will be showing you the terms and condition as per the region. That means for India there are certain terms and condition, for Africa, or you can say for any other country, the different terms and conditions. So after choosing you will be able to apply for this off campus. So hardly it will be taking 3 minutes to apply for this off campus. So I hope you get a clear idea about all these things. So please go through the link. I'll be putting the link of this career portal or of this advertisement in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to apply for this off campus as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.